Welcome Bonsai Empire. Welcome to my garden. This is Bonsai Museum based in Madrid, and hope you enjoy the visit. This tree, this is a Yamadori from north of Spain. It's a Pinus sylvestris. This is a Spanish or European Akamatsu. It's a red pine. For me, the front of the trunk is here, where the base of the roots and the special gravity center of the tree, which is this figure here, and goes in two planes. That's in the design. And this is, you see the depth with this, from the camera, I think we are talking about even more. This is the line of the trunk, this one here, from here, no? So you see this on the front, and that a little bit on the line of the crown, of the axe of this, no? And Mr. Yahima, he said he look at it in the opposite way. So he said that he likes how this is hidden by this, and how and the base of the trunk is much better. The discussion was about that, about this is the line of the front, no? I agree in some things, the root is better here, but I don't like the cylindric progress of the trunk, of the main trunk. And I found this too big, too rough, with this section which is lower. It's making, for me, is less stability on the design. But anyway, it works. It has it hides a little bit this massive thing. So finally, we I don't know if we agree or not, but the tree is here in the museum, so it's my front. Anyway, it's better to have two fronts than to have one. So, and because this is a three-dimensional tree, piece of art, so you have to have both, no? But now I am going to tap on. One of the main reasons is to find a pot for this tree. That's because I think this is a masterpiece, but the pot is not the right pot. It has a shallow pot. It needs more deep pot, and also more shorter than this. Is more. It's like a slanting piece, more regular, I think. Or be hexagonal, or I don't think so octagonal. It has to be, or a square one. I think it has to be the Lotto one, which has the sides, which is a little bit round, because it has a lot of texture here, no? This upper gene here was done like 15 years ago by Kevin Wilson. So bonsai is an art that it belongs to everybody which is going through it. It's not just a piece, you know. He did this detail here, and he didn't do more than that, no? So this is the way the masterpiece is built, and I think this is already, it's a masterpiece, and in the future will be even more.